Oh, we already off to a great start. We got us some chicken and potatoes. Yeah, this is a great start. Hey, whatever knife he using, I need that. I need that knife. What's that, cheese? Oh yeah, this is about to be amazing. I don't care what y'all say. This is going to be amazing. Oh, okay. I get. All right, mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Okay, all right. Chicken and cheese and potato. Okay, all right. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't expecting this. I was not expecting this. Chicken, potatoes, corn. What the heck are you making? Holy moly. Bruh making chicken. Bruh making chicken lollipops. Well, call me a tater and put me in a tot. I be gosh darn, bruh is making chicken lollipops. Oh my God.